Yo, look what Tyler just caught, bro.
Oh my god, it's
Oh my god, bro. Yo, Kenzie, get my weight scale. It's on the dock. Bro, look at that. Jesus Christ. Dude, bro, look at the teeth in that. Ned rigged. On a Ned rig too. Yo. Yo.
Look at that. Oh my.
Bro, that thing has to at least weigh 15 pounds.
No.
Yeah.
He's coming
Bro.
to see it.
Yo, how am I going to even hook that?
In the gill.
In the gill. Hook it like in here. Yeah, in there.
My mom's been wanting one of these things for so long.
Is it,
I don't even know what they look like.
it's a walleye.
My mom's been asking me for one of these things for so long, dude. I've never even seen one in my life. So do I flay them? Is that how you clean them?
Oh, I didn't hear you. Just ask your mom.
Alright.
We
Holy
were gonna. Do we have to flay it?
Yeah, do you have to flay it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, like a normal, okay.
8 pounds.
8 pounds.
Yo, look at that beauty.
Oh, do we even have a bag that big? I don't. Fuck.
8 pound fucking walleye. Yo, look at that. On a Ned rig too.
Oh, that fucking Ned rig. So that wasn't a pike I had. That was fucking, it was close. It's a pickerel. Oh my god. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Yo, let's